Hi, welcome to the Auto Empowered YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to fill your vehicle with fuel safely and confidently. Whether this is your first time or you've done it many times, this quick guide will cover everything you need to know step by step. Let's get started. Just a waiver. Everything shared here is for general information only. This video is not intended to promote nor demean any specific tool, part, brand, or business. Please take appropriate safety precautions, as any advice you take from this video is taken at your own risk. The first thing you need to know is what type of fuel your vehicle needs. Consult your owner's manual or check inside the fuel door to see if your vehicle takes gas or diesel and what grade it needs. This is important, as using the incorrect fuel for your vehicle can cause it to run poorly or even cause damage to the engine and fuel system.
To save yourself some hassle ahead of time, it is good to know where the fuel filler is located on your vehicle. You'll typically see a circular, square, or rectangular cutout in the body of your vehicle just behind the rear wheel that will indicate where your fuel filler is. Most vehicles also have an arrow near the fuel gauge inside the vehicle that points to the direction of the fuel filler. When pulling up to the gas station, you will want to park your vehicle so that your fuel filler is on the same side as the fuel pump, and your vehicle is close enough so the hose can reach your fuel filler comfortably. Make sure you turn off your engine before fueling. The fuel door on your vehicle will need to be opened. There may be a button, lever, or switch inside your vehicle to open it, or sometimes the fuel door may need to be gently pushed or pulled open. Consult your owner's manual for instructions to open the fuel door for your vehicle. Next, you'll need to navigate the payment method. You may be able to pay inside, either before or after filling, but many gas stations like this one have payment options right at the pump. I won't go into great detail here, as each pay at the pump system works quite differently. Once you have paid for your fuel, the fuel pump will typically direct you to lift the fuel nozzle and select the grade of fuel. Lift the appropriate nozzle and push in the button for the fuel you require. Some older fuel pumps may have a lever you need to lift where you picked up the fuel nozzle from before you can start pumping fuel. Now, if there is a fuel cap, unscrew it and hang it on the hook of the fuel door, or set it aside safely. Some vehicles like this one don't have a fuel cap you need to worry about. Take the fuel nozzle and insert it fully into your car's fuel filler neck. Now squeeze the handle to start pumping fuel. Most pumps have a latch to keep it flowing without holding it continuously that you can use. If not, just continue holding the handle. Fill until the pump clicks off automatically. That means your tank is full. When it's done, remove the nozzle, replace your fuel cap securely. Make sure to tighten it until you hear a click, or follow the instructions for your vehicle in the owner's manual. Close the fuel door securely, and you're good to go. Quick tip: don't wait until your tank is nearly empty to refuel. Filling up with about a quarter tank left helps protect your fuel system and keeps you ready for emergencies.
Filling your car with fuel is simple once you know the steps. Now you're ready to fuel up safely and confidently anytime. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.